Welcome. In this video I will show you how to reset picture settings on your Samsung ViewFinity S8. So first of all, you're gonna have to reach for the joystick on the back side of your monitor and press it once to open the OSD menu. Then move the joystick upwards to highlight menu and press joystick one more time to open it. Here you're gonna have to navigate to picture. Normally you would have it highlighted, but if you don't, you can move here using up or down movements. Then select picture. On the following page, you're gonna have to scroll all the way down to the third page until you reach picture reset option, and then press the joystick one more time to confirm. Then select yes, and this way you will reset picture settings on your monitor. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.